Hi, this is Taylor Karen at Hops and Berries in Fort Collins, Colorado with Craft Beer and Brewing's Tip of the Week. So, what's a blow-off tube? When do you use it? Generally, high gravity beers and beers with a high wheat or otherwise protein content are gonna wanna climb out of your fermenter. It can clog the airlock and make an explosive mess that's not all that fun to clean up. Simply, you can put a piece of siphon tubing in your airlock into a Star San filled tub. That's an easy way to do it. You can also find tubes that fit the inside diameter of the carboy and themselves can go straight into a tub of Star San. What that does is allow any kind of hop matter, krausen, whatever else might plug an airlock to just flow into this tub. Once your active fermentation is over, you can generally replace the airlock and let it ride like normal. I've even just used a simple square of aluminum foil that I've sanitized, wrap that over the top and drape a Star San towel over it until the craziness passes. Now, if you want to learn even more about high gravity brewing, click the link below.